we're in motion. Wow, would you look at that? You've just got yourself a new Meta Quest 3 VR headset and you're wondering what accessories do you need. So today we're going to be unboxing the Kiwi K4 Boost head strap and the Syntech VR carrying case as well. So we're gonna start off by unboxing the K4 Boost Comfort Battery head strap. This head strap has a battery pack on it, so it can increase the time you get to play on your Meta Quest 3. I'm a new Meta Quest 3 user and I've easily been able to blast the 2-hour battery life that it has on there, so I'm looking forward to using this. Another feature is that it's a comfort head strap and the battery actually acts a bit like a counterweight, so it feels more balanced on your head. So here we go. Let's open this up. This seems to be the back part of the headset, I believe. And here it seems that we have the head strap. It's a comfort memory foam head strap, as well as the part that goes onto the back as well to ensure you're super comfortable. And in here is a booklet. We have a user manual. You're gonna wanna read through that in order to see how to set it up. And there's also a warranty guide here as well. So you're gonna wanna look through those when you get yours. So here, looks like a pretty easy configuration. It says right and says right on here. So we're just gonna match those up and clip this headpiece in here. You're gonna hear it clip. You're gonna line it up here as well on the other side. Give it a little bit of pressure and it's gonna clip in as well. So that is what the comfort head strap is currently looking like right now. So let's see if we can attach it onto the Meta Quest 3. So in order to take the original head strap off of the Meta Quest 3, we're just gonna come to the side here and detach the plastic piece. So you're just going to hold on to it and we're gonna pull away, just like that. Very simple. So on the other side here, we're just gonna get in there and we're just gonna pull away. Same thing. One pro tip is try to pull away, don't pull out, because that has led to some damage on the ports here, I've heard. So we want to avoid that. And then here's the head strap at the top. We're just going to undo that and then we're going to pull it through. So you can give it a little bit of effort here as you push it down and pull it through just to get it out. And voila, there goes the head strap. All right, so let's get to installing the K4 Boost onto my Meta Quest 3. So just like we pulled it off the sides, we're going to line it up here and then we're going to press it and clip it right in. Boom. There we go, that's one side. We're gonna come around to the other side here now. And we're gonna do the same thing. Make sure to line it up appropriately and then clip that in. And there we go, voila. It is clipped in. And as you can see now, we have the sides hooked up. Now we got to attach the top strap right in. So we're gonna undo that Velcro. Then we're gonna try to feed it through here and hopefully we could feed it through without taking off the front plate. Come on. Yes, we fed it through without taking off the front plate. Awesome. So feed it through and then grab it on the other side and gently push down and pull it up here right through. Awesome. So as you can see, the Velcro will come onto the top here. And now we are in motion. Look at that. That looks comfy. Should I try it on? Let's try it on. So there's a knob at the back here where you can adjust the headset and open it up so that you can place it on and then tighten it to the right setting once you have it on your head. So we're gonna get in here. And right now it seems like my head strap is a little bit too tight. If your head is a little bit bigger like mine, then you're gonna wanna give yourself a bit more room. All right, so let's try this on again. Wow, and we're going to dial the knob in here to make it tight on the face. Oh, that is comfy. Let's turn this on so I can ensure that everything looks good. I also have my microphone on, so I don't wanna make it too tight. And we're in motion. Wow, would you look at that? So the battery pack on the back does add a nice comfort level, as this feels to me more centered than it did when I used to use the original strap. To be honest, I found decent comfort in this when I set it to the right settings, but after some time it felt very front heavy and kind of uncomfortable to use. So I'm excited to use this, as the padding on the back is super comfy on the head, and the headset feels really locked in right now. That's awesome. So that was a very simple installation. Just to recap here, the K4 Boost by Kiwi. Very nice product so far. I will use it and provide a more in-depth review as time goes on. So now we need to see if we can get this into a carrying case. All right, so let's take a pause on that. Actually, before we get into putting it into the carrying case, I want to show you here on the side that this is where the power comes out to charge your Meta Quest 3. There's a USB-C port there on the side, and you will charge the back of the headset and then plug it into the side right here. As you could hear, that a sound came on, meaning it's charging. This headset has a USB-C here at the bottom so that you would charge your battery pack, thus charging your headset. Right now I'm at full battery anyways on my headset, so you can see it's already fully charged. So you want to unplug that to save the juice in your battery pack. So here we have the Syntech VR carrying case. To be honest, I was looking for a case that could fit this beefy head strap, and when I found this on Amazon, I decided to order it. When I opened it, I was surprised how big it actually was. It's a pretty hefty case, but it's gonna make sure that it fits our headset with our head strap. All right, so here we have the Syntech VR hard carrying case, large version, where style meets function, sufficient storage room, all around protection, and it's a portable travel case. Let's open this guy up right here. It is nice though. I got myself a black one. I got my wife a gray one, so we know whose is whose. But to be honest, she doesn't play as much as I do on her headset, so I got her the K4 comfort strap without the battery pack, because that should be enough time. Worst case scenario, we also got a charging cable. All right, so let's see how this goes in. I'm actually also gonna go grab the controller so we can put it all in here and get a real-time idea of how the case works. So I went ahead and grabbed the controllers, which I've been keeping in the original box just because I had nowhere safe to store everything. So now we're going to get the controllers out, and then we're going to see how everything fits in here. So in our carrying case here, we have a user manual, and we also have some pads. This looks like it could be a lens protector of some sort, because it looks like it'll plug right in there. These straps in here are supposed to secure our controllers. So we're gonna open up these straps, and we're gonna toss our controllers in right there. 1 and 2. We're gonna make them go opposite so they fit in together. That seems to be the proper fit right there. So let's strap that in first here, and we're gonna strap those on top. All right, so our controllers are nice and locked in, as you can see. Next, we're going to drop our headset in here, and the pads I was showing you as well are gonna go in to protect your lenses. So you can just tuck that into the headset there, and lenses will be protected from any damage when moving around. Then we will just close our case. Wow. And there you have it. Everything is nice and locked into our Syntech VR headset case. I like this. It's not bad. And it has to be this big in order to fit everything nicely. As you can see, you can hold it here on the side. And now you're ready to travel with your Meta Quest 3, or just ready to store it in a nice protective case. If you like tech unboxings, please subscribe to our channel, drop a comment. I'd love to engage with you down below. Also, keep in mind, we will be dropping more unboxings. The next one I actually have coming up is the Zenni prescription lenses for my Meta Quest 3. I do wear glasses. I don't like wearing them in the headset, so I went ahead and got the Zenni prescription lenses recommended by Meta. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.